What's up, guys? This is Silas again with UTE, and welcome back to Tech Tuesday. This piece of metal is completely flat, but somehow it turns into this. So, how does that happen? Meet the press brake.
A press brake is a machine that bends sheet metal into precise shapes and angles. It does that by pressing material between a punch and a die with thousands of pounds of force.
So basically, it's a professional metal folding machine.
But unlike folding a piece of paper, every bend has to be incredibly accurate. Our UCH 160 isn't just bending metal, it's making the same bend over and over again with incredible accuracy, which is exactly what manufacturers need. That means faster setups, consistent results, and less guesswork for the operator.
Which is pretty important because explaining to your customers why all your parts look different gets pretty awkward.
Everything from brackets and cabinets to machine frames and electrical enclosures can start as a flat sheet before being formed on a press brake.
And honestly, without press brakes, a lot of pieces of metal would just stay flat forever. So next time you see a finished metal product with bends and angles, there's a good chance a press brake had something to do with it. Thanks for watching this week's Tech Tuesday, and I'll see you next Tuesday.